Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering tools and opening the handle housing. This is critical because you need direct access. Once you remove the 2/6 screws, gently pry the plastic shroud. Use a flat tool to avoid cracking. You'll see the button plunger, spring, and latch rod. Inspect for broken parts or debris. Make sure to note orientation and take a quick photo if needed. This first step sets the stage for repair, so be methodical and keep screws organized while you proceed to adjustments. Now you tackle the mechanism. Clean first because grit often blocks movement. Once clean, examine the spring and plunger. If the spring is lost or bent, swap in a replacement of similar tension. This restores button return. If the plunger is misaligned, reposition it so it seats squarely against the latch rod. Use pliers for precision. After parts align, apply a light silicone spray to rails and button contact points so motion is smooth. Test the buttons several times while the housing is open to confirm correct action. You finish by reassembling the housing and tightening screws just until snug. Over-tightening can deform plastic and bind the button. Once reassembled, run the handle through every detent. Extend, press button, and lock at each height to verify consistent release and return. If the button still sticks or fails to engage, inspect the latch rod and internal catch for wear or damage. Sometimes replacing the handle assembly is faster than endless adjustments. Remember this troubleshooting tip. A missing or weak spring is the most common hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.